This is from Zechariah chapter 10, verse 1. Ask Yahweh for the spring rain, for he is the one that sends the thunder, the lightning. He will give you rain, abundant rain, for everyone who has, so that everyone has crops in the field. Another translation is, ask the Lord for rain in springtime. The Lord makes the storm clouds, and he will give everyone showers of rain and crops in the field. So ask God for provision, and he will give it to you. Hey, so I recorded this following video yesterday, but God told me today that that this peace that he's talking about is after the war. So I don't know why God is telling me to release this word now, but I'm just being obedient. so yeah,